Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix Epic Games Launcher not letting you log in. Make sure to watch the video until the end, like and subscribe if you find it useful. So first of all, we're going to go to here and then click on Run if you're on Windows. And then from here, you're going to search for app data. Now from here, you're going to go to the local and then search for Epic Games and then the Epic Games Launcher folder. As you can see both right here, just highlight them and then delete them from your system. Once they're deleted, you're going to close this. Then from here, you're going to search for Control Panel. Once you do that, you're going to search for programs, uninstall program, click on it, and then from here, you're going to click on it again, and then you will simply search for Epic Games. Now that you're here, just simply click on here and then click uninstall, and then uninstall the other one as well. From there, you're going to simply install Epic Games again, and then log in, and from that, you will have cleared all the bad cache that was on your computer before, and now it should work totally fine. Now, in case it hasn't still worked, you can go to the browser and search for Epic Games status. Yes, this is a real website that you can click on and it will show you all the operational and non-operational systems and operations in Epic Games itself. So if Fortnite itself was not working, it will show right here. And if the Epic Games Store itself wasn't working, it will show right here exactly. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.